Other than looking like a super cool knife, it's super light at 144 grams. And hey guys, Brad here with Skyline Construction. And today I'm going to be looking at the Leatherman Skeletool CX. This is the titanium version with the carbon fiber inlay on it. This tool weighs in at 144 grams and is super handy. I've been carrying this around with me for probably close to 10 years. I love it because it's got this sweet little belt hook on it, and you can just place it kind of right on your side like this. It's super easy. So it's nice and thin. I just really love this knife. There's not a lot to it, but it's just sort of a handy kind of everyday sort of carry around tool. So let's take a look at what it's got on it. For starters, on the outside, you've got a sort of a carabiner style hook on here, which also doubles as a bottle opener. So you can crack open those beers. We've got the belt hook right here. Okay. And then when you open her up, we've got our pliers. And then in the pliers, you've got a set of cutters right there. So you can cut, 14-2 wire with this, no problem. I wouldn't be doing electrical work with this, but if you needed to, you could. We've also got a screwdriver holder right here on the end, which has a locking portion. So you just press this button down, this comes out. Okay. And you can get the extra bit carrier for this as well. So you can carry all the bits, you can get the extender. And then we've also got bit storage on here, which is on the side. So you just put your fingernail in and you've got an extra bit storage. So a couple Phillips bits right there. So that's pretty sweet to have. I always keep the blade screwdriver on because I've used this a lot for prying, and there's nothing really else on here that you can use for prying. So having a nice straight blade screwdriver is always handy to have. Okay, then let's get to the knife. It's right here. I've bought the serrated version. Half of it's serrated, the rest is just a regular blade. And it's 154 cm stainless steel blade, so it's nice and sharp. I've never had an issue with this. I don't have any chipping on the blade. It's super easy to sharpen. The serrades are a little harder. You have to have a different tool, but this portion right here, very easy to sharpen. Other than looking like a super cool knife, and this is locking right here, so it just clicks in place. Like I said, it's super light at 144 grams, and I just think it's a sweet knife to have. So very easy review here, guys. I've always enjoyed carrying this around with me. Like I said, it's just sort of an EDC, if you will, everyday carry. But yeah, you can't go wrong with this little Skeletool. So I hope you liked the review. If you did, give us a thumbs up, share it, subscribe, leave me a comment. Let me know what you like to carry around. If it's the Skeletool or maybe the Wave, I carry that one as well in my bag. But yeah, until next time, guys, keep on crushing it. We'll catch you later.